In this video, we will be learning English vocabulary words with meanings and sentences. Bogus. Bogus. She produced some bogus documents to support her application. His claims are bogus about the news. Goof up. Goof up. I made a goof up in my business meeting. She made a goof up in her exams. Nefarious. Nefarious. He is a nefarious person. The nefarious activities of the criminal organization were finally exposed. Screw up. Screw up. Why are you trying to screw up your life? I totally screwed up the chemistry exam. Overindulgent. Overindulgent. He is overindulgent when it comes to eating fast food. She is overindulgent when it comes to taking shower. Imprudent. Imprudent. She made some imprudent investments. I am concerned about his imprudent behavior.